Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial brought to you by Programmium. Guys, this is another practice video for our Java playlist, and in this video we will create a guessing number game in Java. And what does that game will do? It will just take the input from the user as an integer, and if that number entered by the user matches with the uh, random generated number by our computer, so we will shout the user that you enter the correct guess. But if the user entered number greater than the number that the computer had generated randomly, we will shout the user make your guess lower. And if the user enters smaller number than the as compared to the random number generated by the computer, we will just shout the user that you had to increase your guess. Fine. So guys, enough introduction about this video. Let's open IntelliJ IDE and start coding this awesome game. So guys, now you can see that I had created a guess number game.java file, and let me create here public static void main quickly. And again here we will first make this strategy of how to make this game work. First thing first, we will first take input from user, and after that we will create a random number. Fine. But I think I had to shift this one down. First we will create a random number, and then we will take the input from the user. So here I am using a class whose name is random, and I am saying here random1 is equals to new random. Okay, let's import this one like that. Fine. And here we will be making variables that we will be using throughout this program. So first one, an integer user entered number, okay, and computer generated number like that. Fine. So until now these are the only two things here, and here I am also going to create a scanner object. Input is equals to new scanner system.in. okay, fine. So how to generate a random number? Let's see here. Computer generated number is equals to, we have to use this one, random one dot. Okay guys, first we will check here how to use this random number. We will use this one object we created. We put a dot here, and yes, you would see here next int, and let's see its documentation. You would see that it returns the next pseudo random uniformly distributed int value from this random number generator sequence. So it's all 2 to power 32 possible integer values are produced with approximately equal probability. Equal probability. So fine. Here we will pass it like here 100, and here is the bounds. So now you can see that its documentation again, that if we give it a bound, first let us out this one, and then I will show you the another one. So first random number is okay, computer generated random number. Fine. and I'm again sorting it, and I'm writing here second one is for this I'm writing here directly random number one dot next int, and here I would provide it a bound like 20, and let us run it. You would see that here first random number is minus 1966591491. I don't know what that is, but I know this one here. Second one is 5. If I am going to run it again, you would see that both of them are changed. Run it again, you would see that yeah, it's the 15 one again. Let's see it if that can go to 20. Here is 17. Okay, here is 9. So I don't think so it will go beyond this 21, but we don't need this one. So, and we also know this one. This was just for the practice, or you can say that you can create here a while loop, and while loop would be that we can provide here 20, and you can say that while computer generated number is not equals to 20, like that, and we will shout here the computer generated number, and let's run it, and you would see that it's sorry, we have to stop it, and we also have to again uh, print it here. So let's see its result, and after that I would be telling you was the logic here. Okay, now you can see that it's making a lot of random numbers, and yes, this program would continue until it reaches 20, and this is an infinite loop, and let me tell you why. So first we generated a random number whose value should be smaller than 21. This bounds mean that it doesn't include this 21. Fine, and then we make a loop that you have to run until this number becomes equals to 20. So if this condition couldn't be true in whole life, so it is an infinite loop. We sorted that number, and after that we again make a random value like that. Fine, so I'm commenting them out here like that because we don't need them. So now we got a random number. So what to do now? We will shout here to the user, please enter your guess, and here we will use like this one, like this. Okay, now we have generated a random number and taken input from the user. So what now? Our next strategy here would be to, let me write it here, we will use a while loop, and we will use here while computer generated number is not equals to user entered number. So this loop will start looping until the both conditions or both numbers became the true one. So fine, we will use here if the user entered number is smaller than computer generated number, then we will shout the user, your guess is smaller than the exact number, and here we will again take the input from the user like that, and here we will say re-enter your guess. Okay, fine. So here we take the input from the user again, and it will again check this condition. Okay, that's perfect. here is an other one, like else if the user enter number becomes greater than computer generated number. What's the error? Sorry, we have to use computer generated number. Fine. Okay, so if that's the case, we will do the same here, like that. Your guess is greater than we expected, than the exact number. You just have to re-enter your guess. Fine. So guys, now let us run it and to check its results. Okay, please enter your guess. I am entering here. First, let me see what was the bound here. Our bound was 20. Okay, fine, no problem. So I have to enter number between 0 and 19. So I'm entering here 15. Your guess is greater than the exact number. Re-enter your guess. I'm entering 14. Oh, sorry, I have to enter 10 here. Okay, it's again greater. Let me enter 5 here. Okay, our guess is smaller than the exact number here when I entered 5. So I have to now keep the number between 5 and 10. So let's enter 8 here. Okay, our guess is again smaller, and I hope so it would be 9. And yes, the program finished here, and we have to make a condition here that if user entered number is equals to computer generated number, we will shout here voila, sure, guess, you won the game. Fine. So here is also the condition that we will put here, and is that's the here that else if user enter number becomes equals to this one. Okay, if this condition becomes true, then we will show this message again. So let me run it again and show its results. Okay, please enter your guess. I am entering here 14. Okay, it is smaller than the exact number. Let me enter here 17. So now you can see that our range here is 14 to 17 until now. So let me enter here 15, and yes, we again enter the correct answer here, but we have to show the user that you have won the game. Okay, we got a logical error here, and that is a simple one. We have to show the user that you have entered the sorry, you have won the game. So where we can put that? Yeah, let's try it again here. That if in this while loop at any instant user enter number becomes equals to this number, generated random number, we would say here you won the game. Let's try that, and just a while, please enter your guess. I am entering here 16 this time, and wow, I won the game at the first run. So I'm closing it and running it again, and this time I'm entering here 15. Okay, our guess is smaller than expected, 17, again smaller, 19, and yes, we won the game. I'm running it again. Okay, so we have to enter the guess. I'm writing 14. It is greater. I'm entering 10. It is smaller, 12. Okay, greater, that should be 11. Yeah, we won the game. Fine. You can make your game excited by increasing its bounds. You can use here about 100, about 200, and whatever terms you like. Fine guys. So guys, enough for this video. We will be coming with a brand new video in which we will be learning some more techniques. So guys, until our next video, stay tuned and don't forget to like this video, subscribe this channel, and hit the bell button below to get notified about our new videos. So until our next video, take care. Goodbye.